Prefer hard enduro over racing between the takes? If so, then the EC300 is definitely for you. Built to be light, powerful, and capable of scaling anything in its path, this bike is an ultra-modern enduro steed that makes light work of the gnarliest off-road terrain. With tons of torque down low and supple and easy to adjust WP suspension, those long, grueling days on the bike are made much more enjoyable aboard the EC300. Neken handlebar, grips and throttle assembly. Braktec brakes and hydraulic clucth. Fuel tank. The all-new tank holds 9 liters of fuel, but it remains just as slim as the old one. Made from transparent polythene. Engine. The new EC300 motor sets the benchmark for unrivaled torque and peak power. All new throttle body injection. Cylinder and piston. The new crankcases have a thin wall design. DDS clutch. Frame. The frame is finished with a durable red powder coating and guards to prevent wear, which also offer a little extra grip for your boots too. Subframe. The all-aluminium subframe is light, strong, and works as one with the new frame. Forged triple clamps. New, forged aluminum triple clamps offer just the right amount of calculated flex thanks to a revised steering stem. Front suspension. The tried and tested WPXPLOR open cartridge forks remain, but for 2024 they've been updated with new setting. Rear suspension. The new WPXACT rear shock is shorter and lighter than the old version. Airbox. Allowing quick and easy filter changes, the airbox is designed with precisely positioned inlet ducts to direct the flow of air towards the twin air filter, which helps create maximum horsepower. New swing arm. Cast from one piece of aluminum, lower in weight than the old one, and slightly stiffer. Wheels and tires. CNC machined hubs, lightweight spokes, and high-strength Excel rims. Exhaust. Two-stroke header pipes are super strong and offer optimal geometry, performance, and ground clearance, making them less susceptible to damage. Bodywork. All red and all new. Fully redesigned from front to back, the sleek bodywork is incredibly ergonomic with larger contact surfaces and an improved rider triangle, further enhancing control. The rad shrouds are shaped to help better grip the bike as you get on the gas. There's also a super grippy seat cover keeping you sat exactly where you need to be.